or false? Latches are only replaced when the hook needs replaced.
That would be false.
Okay.
If the latch is on a hook and it becomes damaged, that latch needs to be fixed. And you can replace that latch, or you could remove that latch altogether. And if you're working with a multi-leg chain, you remove all of the latches because they need to follow suit. My recommendation is if it's not a lift-all assembly, it be sent back to lift-all, and we'll make sure that it gets the proper latch so it functions the right way and for as long as possible.
So if the latch is damaged, should the entire sling be removed from service?
Temporarily. If there's a problem with the latch, then that chain is damaged. Bringing it out of service temporarily until you can replace that latch, perhaps fix the latch if it's not anything major. But you could also have an option, if it's a multi-leg chain, you could remove that latch that's damaged, and you could remove the other latches if they're not really benefiting the operation. That is, unless it's an in-house requirement by your company that they use latches on all of their hooks, then that's kind of a condition of employment. It's pretty important.